Bit annoying music to start. Anyway, there are apparently lots of games called Star Wars: The Battle of Yavin. This is an unofficial fan-made one from 2001. And I tried it. And it's basically one of those top-down, not side-scroll, those vertical scrollers, I guess is the word. I don't really know. And what annoys me is that you seem to shoot at the TIE fighters, seem to hit them, but you just slightly miss them. It's not necessarily because it's like, whoops, a fan-made game. Some fan-made games are good. This... Oh! But you can't seem to hit the targets properly in this one. But they can hit you really nicely. Of course they can. Death Star ahead. I noticed that you can't really shoot the Death Star. It just shoots at you. And you need to evade the shooting. Now it's more of this. Oh! Exactly the thing, you can't hit them properly. Now there's the Star Destroyers. Yeah, I'm already dead. Trying again. I don't know why this slow startup has to be part of the game. That just seems... Yeah, of course it hits me. I'm already down to 4 lives. Yeah. So the fact that I constantly get hit by stray bullets while I'm unable to hit anything genuinely annoys me. The Death Star kind of looks like not very round. Yeah, and that's it again. So this game sucks and annoys me, so I'm not going to play it any further.